Where safety, availability and modification options are paramount, planners, building owners and users alike choose Smissline Touchproof by ABB. Smissline TP is a plug-in socket system with integrated bus bars, which simplifies the planning, setup and maintenance of electrical systems. Smissline TP is fully protected against direct contact. The system remains fully touch-proof even when plugging in and unplugging devices. Smissline TP prevents any risk to persons through switch arcs or fault arcs. Our planning software provides support when you're planning the system and calculating its measurements. Smissline TP stands for Safe and Flexible Distributor Systems. Prefabricated starter kits make work easier because the sockets and bus bars are already joined together. This means that the devices can be fitted directly in place. However, the components can also be fitted together as easily as child's play. When doing this, the bus bars are inserted into the socket from the front. The following are provided: bus bars for external conductors L1, L2, L3 and the neutral conductor, and 2 auxiliary bus bars for the signaling. The power can be supplied to the bus bar system via an incoming terminal block or directly via a protection device. The bus bar system is closed in a way that ensures full protection against direct contact. This enables load-free plugging in and unplugging of live devices without the need for personal safety equipment. Smissline TP is specially developed for use in the critical power market, wherever a high level of availability is required. Bus bars can be isolated. Using an isolator, this allows you to create different circuits on the sockets. By doing this, you can create groups that are protected against residual currents, for example. In such cases, power is supplied via a residual current circuit breaker. To prevent unsymmetrical loads, the contact arrangement of the external conductors can be changed by simply moving the plug contacts. This prevents unsymmetrical loads. The pole conductor contact arrangement can be identified without removing the devices. Even the signal and auxiliary contacts can be supplied with power directly. This obviates the need for input wiring. A collective alarm message can be output directly via the 2 auxiliary bus bars integrated in the socket, for example. Smissline TP also provides a combi module. This can be used to create whole combinations of devices, which thereby form a single unit that can be fixed in place in one piece. For example, the motor protection switch and contactor. A current measuring module can be fitted to the output terminals of the devices. This can be used to measure the current per output. The modules are connected to each other via a bus system. This enables overloads to be detected and possible failures prevented. Smissline TP also enables a mixed pole arrangement of 1, 2, 3 or 4 pole devices. Smissline TP makes it possible to press well ahead with planning even before all the details of a system are known. Consumers can be reassigned even if the use of an entire installation has to be completely changed. The effort required remains minimal. The outgoing cables are connected directly to the devices, which saves space. Larger assemblies can be installed vertically, which also saves space. Extensions are easy to create thanks to the plug-in technology. Additions, extensions and changes in switch cabinets are possible at any time. This load-free live plug-in option is a decisive cost advantage for all systems in which downtimes must be kept to a minimum. Smissline TP proves its worth particularly in public buildings, computing centres, industrial plants, in telecommunications or in airports and clinics. Wherever safety, availability and modification options are indispensable. The system has all the important international test certificates and is available via the worldwide ABB sales network. Smissline Touchproof from ABB for flexible, modular distribution systems.